This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by John Bungo. Newly freshened 4-bedroom home offers central air and central vacuum. Large yard is fully fenced, low maintenance, and has generous deck and play area. Quartz kitchen counters with gas range, large sunny dining nook adjoins, great room with gas fireplace, surround sound. Main bedroom has double doors, walk-in closet, double sinks, spacious shower. Upstairs laundry with tub sink. Covered front porch. For more information, review the details below or contact John Bungo at 503-705-3900.